How to convert PDF to Word file in Microsoft Word. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word. Here, click on File at the top left corner of your screen. After you click on File at the top left corner of your screen, click on Open on the left side. After you click on Open on the left side, click on Browse. After you click on Browse in here, select the PDF from your file, then press on Open. After you've done that, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Here, press on OK. Then you will find your PDF converted into Word file and you will be able to edit as well. And this is how to convert PDF to Word file in Microsoft Word. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.